Hello and good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing extremely good. And today we have come to another hill station. This is a little less explored, little less known by the people who stay outside Kerala. Because last time when I had been here, like there were hardly any tourists who were outside Kerala. So we have come here to explore today. And last time, by the way, we had come during monsoon, and now it's the month of January and the view is something like this. Monsoon में आने से थोड़ा और better होता, but even though the view looks so good now, just see how beautiful it is. So this hill station, this is called Vagamon. Also, it's known as Vagamon, and it's a very beautiful place. Chalo, let's go. Let's explore the destination. By the way, we are going through another route. As usual, I always told we love nature, so we always opt for the route that gives us the best view. So let's go. Chalo. So we are in between the tea gardens here in Vagamon, and one thing which I like the most here, unlike Munnar जहाँ पे आपको कहीं tea estates में you have to pay money and then have an entry, but I'm in the midst of the tea garden. कोई entry fee नहीं है. The view is just as beautiful. The view is just as beautiful as Munnar, and you can just roam around freely anywhere you want. So this is another reason I think why you should visit Vagamon. एक तो हो गया tourist का उतना rush नहीं है, and the second thing which I feel is यहाँ पे you can roam around freely in all the tea gardens, explore the beauty just as same as Munnar or maybe even beautiful. So now let's go and explore the next destination. Chalo. Last time when we had visited, we wanted to go there. वहाँ पे एक windmill का view है, और we had visited during monsoon. So तब वहाँ से ना एकदम झरना type flow हो रहा था. The view was so mesmerizing. That view was in our mind since ever. But और COVID के time lockdown हो गया and all, so we could not visit. So I wish we could visit during monsoon. We will visit again and see. It looks so good from here. So soothing, and the wind blowing, soft breeze is there. Let's stand for a while here. So we were planning to go to Marmala waterfalls, but we had changed the plan because the distance is quite much, and we had a plan to cover many places within a day only. So we changed the plan, and now we are returning. We are actually going to Thangalpara, and the view is so amazing here, so beautiful. Or it's surrounded by hill मतलब पूरा surrounded by hill. लेकिन those who have that issue of the fear of height, they might get little panic क्योंकि नीचे डर लग रहा है. I do not have that problem, but नीचे एकदम खाई है, and it's so now we are going to the next destination, that is Thangalpara. So So we are at this place called Kurusimala, and it is a very peaceful and very calm place. People generally come here for meditation at times.
Feeling. I feel so lightweight when I think back to those days.
And from here I can see people are trekking all the way to reach the top point there. And on my other side I can see the hills are covered by grasslands, and I think we came all the way from that side. And our camera won't capture, I guess.
Digging up treasures and sailing across the sea. These are childhood dreams. It's how we used to be when we were kings and queens.
It's a very peaceful place, feels so good here. And now we are going to the next destination, and we will be going to Thangalpara maybe. Let's see. Chala. Oh my god, I became tired in such a little bit of trekking. Ekdam thoda, zyada hai hi nahi. So need to build the stamina there, the stamina. Chalo, let's go. So right now I'm a bit panicked क्योंकि we came all the way from there, वहाँ से, from there we came all the way. आधा रोड तो है नहीं, इतना twist and curls, like already the road was not good, the road was not constructed. I mean landslide के कारण maybe मतलब road खराब हो गया, and it was like कच्चा रास्ते के ऊपर से.
Newly constructed road.
Huh?
Newly constructed.
Is it newly constructed?
Yeah. Last time it was not there.
Okay, so Sam said it's newly constructed. I don't know. लेकिन landslide भी हुआ था. There are few things. Anyway, and I was so scared कि एक तो रास्ता खराब था, and we had to take the turn this way. Oh God, can you see? My God. Scared. And now we will be going all the way to that side. पता नहीं. Sam is like वहाँ पे road है. I'm confused. I'm like saying नहीं, we cannot go. Let's turn the car. So exactly a year ago, more than a year actually, we had come here with our friend in the same location, and we had taken enough pictures here. The view यहाँ से बहुत सुंदर है, but those who have that height का fear, they will have little problem क्योंकि मुझे नहीं है, as I told before, but still I'm getting that fright. But view is so beautiful, and towards left is Thangalpara. I can see few people are there. They have gone to trek. See, can the camera capture? I don't know. So ऐसे घूमते फिरते it had all gone, had an amazing day. One last time I want to show you the view that I'm able to view from here. You can see. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So I just can't get over this tea garden. इतना सुंदर है, and we came all the way from that side. मतलब चारों तरफ tea garden है, and at the back also there's tea garden. Like feels so good. Like though I was born and brought up in Assam, Guwahati, but like वहाँ पे it's famous for tea gardens as well. But still I love tea gardens so much. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Just taking a little bit of break and maybe we will end the journey here. Like we did not go to the meadows क्योंकि rush बहुत था और meadows like just we did not want to go meadows में और कितना जाएंगे. So pine forest भी था, we did not go there क्योंकि last time we had been there. Basically this Vagamon trip we were just relaxing, enjoying the you know, the natural gift, the gift of nature, as in tea gardens and lakes, and that's all basically. थोड़ा सा trekking किया and went up to that hills. So that's what. So if you guys are planning to come, you can of course go to those meadows and pine forest. I am sure you will love it. बहुत सुंदर है view, and but you can also enjoy all this stuff. Like one day in Vagamon is sufficient. Still, if you wish to come for 2 days, it will be more than sufficient. It will be fulfilling. I am sure you will love it. You will love because of all the natural view that it has to offer. Like camera isn't doing justice, even a bit of justice I think. जितना मतलब रोड के ऊपर से टी गार्डन. So that's what, ending our vlog here with a very good note, with a positive note and with lots of fresh air. So please like, share and subscribe my video if you like it, and be part of my virtual family, and see you again very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.